try to get the camera to stop recording. Oh! Fuck! Already exhausted. Ah! Bitch!
Like I said, I'm royally pissed.
Playing a little dirty, are we? Always fucking.
I meant to hit your blade, not your hand.
Right.
And no, that's not playing dirty. That's just where my blade landed.
Nope. It's playing dirty. I can clearly see where your blade's going, motherfucker. You can't fucking win. You can't fucking win. Ow! Oh, fuck.
I'm more than halfway in.
Alright, you got me, Robert. I'll take your fucking small Sith. Ah, fuck! Dude, quit fucking going for my hand!
I wasn't trying to. I was going for the blade, not the hand.
Not full force.
That wasn't.
Yes, that was. Fuck. Ah, fuck! Dude, fucking stop doing full force!
That was a block!
Ah! No, that was a swing! Fuck! Ah! Damn it, my hand!
Oh, sorry.
I've been cutting you up all this time. Ah!
Like I said, you want me to play vicious? I'll play vicious.
No, you won't be able to lift me.
Yeah, you're right.
Ah! Fuck! Ah!
What?
Ah!
You fall? What happened?
Ah! My nuts! My fucking nuts!
I think he landed on his balls.
Ah!